1. Go.
Welcome to an exciting video of Tjhabi Revz. Yeah, guys, this is a car review channel. As I promised that car content. By the way, guys, by the way, we don't have any sponsors yet, but mona ke tsamaya para se Sotho re tshwera monate mona ka beke ba re no Tjhabi a ntso tsaba monna o nka di video tsena tsa hao etsa go no kenya dintho ka mo no a bona ho bua he ba so ba ratileng. So we're gonna review this car eleng the P series, the 2022 P series. Mona ha re shebe he, we're gonna start now. Re qala ka hore ke P series ya neng e ba so ba ratileng ke ya 2022 ne ke ya 2022. It's a diesel van, ke 2-liter turbo. Ona le turbo ka mona, so this is a beast. As you can see, mona is written or ke beast mo. Mara bjale mohlomong ka ipotsa motho a ratang hore bjale Tjhabi mona ntwe tsena tshotse e lo hantlantla mona di tswa le koloi kapa bjang. Eba so ba rateleng is not like that. Mona you can just put these things on by yourself. You can just install these separately. If you wanna maybe customize your car or make it look, nice. So it's a 2-liter turbo diesel van. It's a double cab. So it's actually plastic. This is a plastic grill. GWM. Yeah. So GWM. Mona le sebeditse mara bjale mo mona ho batla la tshepenyana mona plastic ya ke re di gawe ha ke bua hampe ya ke re emba bjale ha ona go tla dula ba le di advantage fela.
No, Tjhabi. It actually helps with weight reduction, things like manufacturing cost, and the crash safety and flexibility. Bona ngwaneso ska tatela o bua di disadvantage fela Tjhabi man with that run as a pose of plastics.
Kapa di tsentle fela tso ka di buang ka koloi, but that's one thing I don't like ke plastic ena mona. So ho jwale ba so ba rateleng e jwalo he koloi ena.
Turn on the lights.
You'll just see in a minute. Go switch on the lights so that you can see the daytime lights over here. Yep, those are the sleek LED lights on the 2022 P series. Perfect for any adventure. And then the exterior of the car. So we're gonna show you guys the interior as well. Let's say and also the driving. Yeah, so ke a gola ba itse ba ratile na gona o bona mono a ntse tsamaya ra ihlile mona le tshwara ile hantle ka tshware hantle. The comfort in this beast is amazing, guys. A diwa comfort ka mona ngwana mme bona ho bjalo he ba so ba rateleng. So this is the front view of the van. Now we're gonna go to the back view and the side view. Re bona orna ho tsalang hantle ka yona bjale ha ke tsebo gore na re potolo ke qala o kae hawe tse di bua la holo mona ha re keneng ba so ba ratileng. Guys, by the way, don't mind this raindrops on the car. It was actually raining, so the wheels are also dirty here. So yeah, ke first video I understand mara he ke kopalingile matso metsing batho be sohle. I apologize for that. But yeah, pula ene na ona jwale re mona fetse souk resort e ka nka ka pele ka kwana but re tseleng e yang hona teng he sentinel peak ka nkane ba so ba ratile hey bana ke botle bo makatsang. But eventually, as we keep on doing these videos, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. You're gonna see these views that I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, we're done with the front view. I don't know if you guys saw properly. We have these lights over here. I told you about the daytime LED lights. And then we have this grill kopa dimo. Jwale la o hlatswa mona o tlama o etse hore wa bona menwana ena o e tlhokomele ngwane so hle ska ba e ska ba ya o le matsa menwana plastic mona wa bona ke di surface tse ngata wa ga bona ba se ba ratile. So ke yona heno he, and then we have this silver logo. I actually like this logo, the GWM logo for the P series. So ke yeno here, this is the grill. And then guys, har fitla mona ka tlase we have this black bumper. Leona, it's not sure, but I think it's plastic. But yeah, Leona intsele ntle but o hloka ntwe tse thata mona ga hloka tshepe mona GWM.
Tjhabi man, please don't mind this guy. Yeah, too saka fuel efficiency. You like it's even zageng ka mmila.
But a ke tsebe ke nana go mohlomong dintho di batla di fetoile a holwanyane ho the latest P series. Sa re tla review ya lona ka nako e nngwe ha modimo a dumetse. Jwale ha ne re tsweleng pele ba so ba ratileng, let's continue with the video. I've shown you guys the front view. So let's move to the side view and then go to the back view. So re tlo potolo ka ofela e retse 360 wa bona mohlaba o ntse je yelela wa pota
ona pita mo
wa pota
ne
wa utlwa ntse re pota bjalo he. So a re mba so ba ratileng, I'm gonna talk. So let me just cut the video for now and let's move to the side view of this GWM 2022 double cab P series. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the side view of the P series. The front view, so this is the side view of this car. So where do we start? And then I told you guys about these black patterns over here. Everything you see that's black here was added on the car. It doesn't come with the car, so it's separated. How to customize the car, you can actually put this on. So okay guys, and then monarnali the
265/60 R18 tires.
Yeah, that's basically it about the side view. Yeah, simple. I want to get a windshield. And add this how I'm gonna actually show you guys the original car, how the car looks without all of these things, all of these customizations, or yeah, something like that. Side view your heart fit. Yeah, Mona we have tinted windows. Let's wanna hadiata diligena ba so ratileng. O ka itindela tsona ka net wa tla kiwi ka papententswe. Ho jwalo ba so ba ratileng. This is the P series. This is the side view of this van. Yeah. Yona e batla ile matlanyana. Let me take a thumbnail. Hey, I forgot about the thumbnail. For kana ditho tsena di thumbnail tsa YouTube. Jwale bana ke tsa bua apara se sotho wa bona guys tsa mai tholla fela ntho tsa apara se sotho bona ke le ntho tsa ka ka mo ke nka fela ka mo we are done with the side view of the car. Let's go to the back view and then rekene engineering and then since this video up. This is my first video, by the way, guys. I told you. Or we're gonna be doing more of this. So if there are maybe any companies I'm here, guys. The boy is here. Located in Mona Kwakwa. Auto pedigree Kwakwa. Leganteza by Soba Ratilling. It's a Swaramona Timona. Go review at the Koloi. Well, I hold on by Soba Ratilling. So we like a side view to go Pahana Vele Kakamorao Kama reborn. Oh, side view Mona happy. La Bona by Soba Ratilling all around the car. We actually see the name Beast. So Beast here do ke ona ke mo ke buile go ga ikenyetsa ngwane tshwa o batla hle wa ngola Beast bona ka ba mohlomong wa ngola Tjhabi Revz wa utlata o ka fela o ikgethela ro batla o ngola mbatho ka iteke ena wa batla ngwaneso mona he ke di Beast ke ena mogao hape se re bone ka pele ka mane ke a gola hape ka tlasa o a re tsebe a ne re poteng ba so ba ratileng. Let's go to the back view. Jona and I had back view by so ratileng. ya koloi ena ha re tsweleng pele hape he re tswela pele re qala kae re qala logo mona I like this silver logo guys e hantle bona ke utlwa le strong e sem plastic ya jwale mona e sebeditse haholo GWM sebeditse GWM and then we have this camera. This is the back camera, the reverse camera, and then piece receipt mona e ngotswe GWM. I like the fact that there's not much info written at the back. Wa bona bo 2.0 ditebo disele a re ditwela tse jwale he o balo he ba so ba ratileng. We can see this beautiful pattern. I like this. We actually got the car like this. Wa bona e hleditsa ma hantle ka line e bjalo ba ga se hamba ngola ene e bjalo he ngwaneso bjale mona ke plastic hantle mona class and then renal number plate ya rona ke ena and then renal this lights over here.
Those are reflectors and they are non-functional. Let's continue.
So Megatron group akiona ya GWM. So yeah, ha re shebeng ka morao ba so ba ratileng hore hona le spaces sky at the back. So ha re eng he space ke seno se ka morao ka mona ba iswa ke tse hore la gona se bona hantle bono se buleile mpa jwale. Please don't mind, I told you guys already. I wasn't actually prepared to shoot this video. So ke ile ka etsa dintho ka pelenyana fela se ke potla ka hore ha fela nka qeta jwalo he guys ba iso ka morao ka mona la iponela spaces se ngata so you can actually fit batho ka hare and then ha kena batho ba bang ka mona mohlomong le nna o kile a bona ba jo atla go robala nka e tshwara ona ka mona bana jwala ona motha hona motha tlangwalla mona but hey ho jwalo he ba so ba ratileng se re qetile ka back view jwale I think it's time to go inside. Re bone the interior of this car because the exterior ke nana qetile ka yona khona re tlang hape ho engine re tlo bona ka engine ka mona hore 2 turbo ye hantle ho etsala jwang dintho di kopane jwang ka moo ha re eng he ka mmila. So yeah guys, we're still reviewing the car right now. This is day 2. So we're doing the interior today. I actually forgot my glasses, I can't see properly. But yeah, we're doing the interior today. Yesterday you saw guys, we did the exterior. But unfortunately we had to go because it was raining. So we're back again today. We're about to do the interior of the car. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Alright, before we can cross to the interior of the car, let's quickly talk about what's under the bonnet. So under the bonnet you'll find a 2-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder delivering 120 kilowatts of power and a hefty 400 Newton meters of torque, mated to either a 6-speed manual or ZF 8-speed auto for a smooth and a strong performance. So yeah guys, this is the interior of the car. I don't have a mic in the car. I'm sure you guys can like properly hear me, you know, I'm audible. So yeah, we're inside the car right now and we've got this premium leather seats that I told you guys about. The comfort on these seats, man, is amazing. You feel comfortable sitting on this leather seats. You know, the comfort is amazing, it's on point. And then right in front of me as I step inside on the driver's seat, we've got our steering wheel and it feels comfortable and smooth. This is the steering wheel. And there are a couple of options on the steering wheel. Of course, the cruise control, your mode option, maybe whenever you want to switch from maybe the music player to the different modes, to the radio, or maybe you want to watch something but you can't watch something when you're driving. So yeah. And then we've got our dashboard. This is our dashboard, made of plastic,
It's a plastic dashboard, and you can see over there's a digital dashboard, and you can see the speed. I'm gonna tell you guys about the fuel consumption of this car, and yeah, that's basically it. We've got our dashboard over there. We've got our automatic power windows. So we've got our automatic power windows over here. You can basically control it like other cars, man. On the windows, yeah, you can open your window and close it. So that's about it. What am I leaving behind? Now let's come to the middle part, this part of the car, right? You've got your infotainment screen here that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So also Android ya kapa iPhone monate one is with you can also check, because this car has a reverse camera. So yeah, this is your screen for the reverse camera. You can actually see when you are reversing. It only has the reverse camera though. Is this model, this model of the P series. I don't know about the latest model, but I think it has a 360 camera. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check. But yeah, for this one though, you only get the reverse camera. And then what else? Under the infotainment screen, there are a couple of buttons here. You've got your hazards, you've got your temperature buttons, there's a volume button over here, and next to it is the steep button. So you can click on this or turn this on when you are on a steep and you want to maintain the speed. So you can just click on this button over here, and next to it you can see another button, and this one is for mainly when you are on slippery roads. So to keep the traction of the car, it locks the wheels so that your car doesn't like move, or it doesn't basically like slip on the road. So you can just turn this traction mode on when you are in those kind of situations. Maybe it's snow and you know that the road is kind of slippery. You can just turn this on. And then we've got our gear over here. Gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. I'm joking, guys. Yeah, from gear 1 to 6. Yeah, got your gear over here. But you can actually choose though if you want a manual or an automatic. So and then we have the USB ports over here. The other one is for your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay, and then the other one is for charging, but they can both serve as charging ports. So yeah, that's about it. And then you've got your cup holders over here. And then one thing again, this is the second thing, by the way, I don't like about this car, is that on the driver's seat you don't have a mirror. Immediately when you flip this, you see nothing. Hauna next. Hauna next. Ntho tseo di etsang. Hauna letho empa ntho tseo di etsang.
Hauna tšhelete empa ntho tseo di etsang.
Ke ntate thuso eo. There's no mirror again this side. GWM. No. I hope GWM you did something about this on the latest model though. And then guys, ona le sunroof ya hao. Hangata ke re bone di-van di na le sunroof, but on this van sunroof ke ena e teng mona. Ka bula sunroof ya hao wa o tloa ke moya monate mono, we controller hona mona he. Yeah, ha we bula he ba so ba rateileng, o tlameha o bule ka letsoa o slide mona. It's not an automatic sunroof. O tlameha o slide mona ba so ba rateileng just to see the light. But if you actually want to open the sunroof, there's a button over here. You just have to like pull it and say bule a sunroof ya hao he. And then that's about it. Oh, the space over here. It's well, it's not big enough though compared to other cars, but it's spacious. You can put a lot of things in here. You can put your phones. You can just keep your stuff, man. Karamona space is a thing. And yeah, that's about it. Ka front side ga mona ya koloi ena ba so ba ratileng. I hope I covered everything. So ejalo he again on all these speakers tsa hao. How many speakers does this car have, Kat? It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6. You have 6 speakers in this car. Yeah, we've got 6 speakers. We've got 6 speakers on this car, on this van. Ke nana re na ke fokoditse ka nnete ke diotlile mona ntwetsena ka nnete ka ofela tsona di features tsa koloi ena na le cruise control se ke wile o hape you have an infotainment screen, and again something unusual, something we don't often see on vans is the sunroof. This car, as I mentioned, it has a sunroof. You can actually open your sunroof mona ha o tshisa ka nnete moya o kene. So the P-series di monate ka se mona tsena di sunroof mona, so o etse go sheba ntle ngwane se ho reka he mo jwale ke tseo he ba so ba rateileng from me to you ke re lerato ke lona leno ba so ba rateileng. I don't know how I did for my first video. This is my first car review, guys. I'm also learning, so please don't judge. Wherever you feel like I made a mistake, can you please correct me nicely so by on the comment section. If you see maybe the eranyana tse ke di entseng wa bona, just quickly tell me, guys, so that Lena I can learn from you guys, because yeah, I'm also learning about cars right now. So yeah, I'm still gonna learn. I'm still gonna review many cars, of course. So yeah, I'm actually gonna learn about cars. But for this one, I think we're done. Let's just wrap it. The P-Series 2022 GWM, well, 2 liters turbo. It's a diesel van, I did say. So yeah, and then I forgot. I wanted to talk about this thing, the fuel consumption. Because that's the most common thing that people look for whenever they buy cars. Okay, does this van save? Tjhabi monna wa he ntate wa pota wa bua bo bodi eng ka ofela di features tsena le tsona mona bo retraction mode bo di screen reverse camera empa na mafura o ba dua le economy nngwe ba so ba ratile mo dintho di turang diesel ya tura, petrol ya tura, jwale koloi ena ya save na? The answer is
Yebobo. With an average fuel consumption of about 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers, the P-Series is actually very fuel efficient for a big double cab. It gives you good power without drinking diesel too fast. Not yet. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have watched till this far, please subscribe to the channel. This is still a new channel. It's something fresh, so please support the channel. So right now, I'm gonna show you one last thing. The driving. Let me not waste any time.
Ba so ba rateileng ho jalo he ho bile jwalo. We are done shooting the video. Now it's time to go home. So guys, please let me know what you think about this car, man. It's a nice car. I told you guys already. It's wrong, all of the features and everything. So yeah, man, get yourself a P-Series. So I'll tell you guys about the prices. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This was the GWM P-Series. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a beautiful audience. More car videos will come very, very, very soon. And then the driving, I told you guys comfort and everything already. So yeah, so hope you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tjhabi Revz, harlewe kamila. Kamila.